The purpose of this video is to show you how to write a book review. Open up Destiny Discover and log in. Sign in with Google. In the search bar, type the title of the book you wish to review. Open up the book and come down here till you see Reviews. Click Add Review. The first thing is you need to rate it. Now you'll type your review. You might want to start with a 1 to 2 sentence summary. Then 1 or 2 sentences about why you liked the book. You might want to conclude by suggesting who might like the book. When you're finished, click Submit Review. Your review will need to go through an approval process. Once it is approved, it'll show up. And that is how you review a book.